ChatGPT for business is here now. ChatGPT for business means that it is geared towards the professional who need more control over their data as well as their enterprises seeking to manage their end users. ChatGPT Business will follow Open OpenAI's API's data usage policies, which means that end users' data won't be used to train their model by default. And this is huge if you think about it. OpenAI began rolling out new controls just yesterday that allow ChatGPT users to turn off their chat history too. Any conversations that take place while chat history is disabled will not be used to train OpenAI's model or appear in the history sidebar. OpenAI also has mentioned that it will keep the new conversation for 30 days, but it will only review them if it is necessary to monitor for abuse. So after these announcements from OpenAI, especially around the ChatGPT for business, the question arises that why not to offer fine-tuned models for companies, their own data, for example, in Azure storage they own. Then anyone can use in the company as a source on fine-tuning input as well as source code and other resources, but OpenAI would still not have access to it. OpenAI can also sell fine-tuned, company-tailored OpenAI's own data, and then chat history won't be an issue there. Just a food for thought. Also, other than this new feature, if you're looking for ChatGPT for business, maybe also have a look at Team GPT, which is something you might want to look into too, because it also offers you group chats with ChatGPT, prompt library building, sharing, and overall collaboration with your team. I do believe that these new features are great and help provide that level of security that we are all after. However, having to pay for such simple features that are a standard for many apps is a new approach. I would assume that they will produce more features going forward for this plan, in which case I look forward. Providing users with great control over their data is certainly a positive development. However, it is important to note that language models like ChatGPT rely on user prompts to continue evolving and improving. Limiting the availability of these prompts may potentially hinder the development of such models. The more data and prompts the model has access to, the better it can learn to generate coherent and relevant responses. It is still, however, important to balance need for data with privacy. Nonetheless, I think OpenAI is going in the right direction, and I expect that soon many companies will start using ChatGPT for business. If you have any feedback, please put it into the comment section. Thank you.